Hello everyone, this is Kalyan, having 5 plus experience in big data. Today I'll be going to show how to work with the Apache Hadoop with multiple users. So if you want to know how to install the Apache Hadoop or 1.x version, 2.x version, you can just follow my previous videos also. Yeah. Let me start with the session how to work with the multiple users. So currently in my VM, I already installed the Hadoop 1.x version. You want to know more details, you can always follow my previous video. Let me start my current version of the Hadoop with start-all.sh. So now is it started or not? Just verify with JPS command. So currently in this box already Hadoop 1.x version is installed and I have started. So my current user is Hadoop user. Okay, so let me open browser, and if you want to access Hadoop in local mode means in your local browser means localhost colon 50070, you can access through this. And if you want to browse the file system means you can go with the browse file system. Okay, so currently in this system actually I have some demo folder is there, some data in that, and also home folder, some data like this we're having it. So let's create one new folder, let's say test. If you want to know more details of this, you can also follow my previous video with the Hadoop comments also. Currently I'm going to show how to create a one test directory with mkdir command /test. Okay, so now it is created. You can verify in the SDFS also. There's a test. Currently what are the permissions for this folder, and who is the owner and who is the group. If you observe it here, the details are there. You want to change these details also, we can change it. So first let's try to create a new user and try to access the Hadoop from there. I'll open one more tab with sudo add user. The username I want to give it here demo, sudo add user demo. First it is going to ask your current user password. My system password right now is Hadoop. Let me enter that, and after that it is going to ask you the demo user password. So I want to give demo user password is demo, and confirmation password is demo also. So if anything wrong, you're just going to say try it again. Let's try again. Okay, demo, and confirmation is demo. Okay, now again correctly, now it's able to proceed. You want to provide these details also, full name, other details, you can, otherwise you can simply enter. Then is this enter information is correct means let's say yes and continue. So currently in my user demo folder, demo user is there. Similarly let's create one more user is ORIEN IT, and you want to enter the password for ORIEN IT because already you log in on already given one time sudo password, but no need to give one more time, directly to the ask. This time is the ORIEN IT user password only. You can provide the ORIEN IT confirmation also ORIEN IT. Then these data you can simply say enter. If it is yes, provide it. So currently in my system I have Hadoop user is there, demo user is there, and one more is ORIEN IT user. So if you want to access Hadoop from these users, what other changes are required is, let's go step by step. The first step is create a user. Second one is add Hadoop home Java home path to /etc/bash/src file. And third one is change the permissions to $home $Hadoop home /conf folder, which are the files we are having it. We have to change the permission. And why we need to do all these things, let's observe it. First thing is I will explain, because I want to work with the multiple users. Already in my system currently Hadoop is installed, I can able to play with that. But suppose if I want to work in a different users, we are going to create a multiple users. Okay, after that, how to add the Hadoop home Java home to corresponding user is better to add it in the etc/etc/bash.bashrc file. Then it is going to applicable to all the users. Okay, let me access my current details. gedit /bashrc. This is previously I have set my Java home Hadoop home details here. Let's take it from here. So one is Java home, other one is the Hadoop home. Let's put these two things into it, not the stability. Okay, and we need to add these two files into a etc/bashrc file. For that, let's execute the command is sudo gedit /etc/bashrc.bashrc. Then enter the password Hadoop. Okay, now let's add these details into the end of the file what we have updated. Okay, let's copy and update here. So make sure that which version of the Java you are having it, and which version of the Hadoop you are having, you go with this. Currently in this box I installed with the 1.7. Still you can go with the 1.6 also. I installed the 1.x version of the Hadoop. You can also go with the 1.x version also. Okay, let's save this file, close it. Okay, so we are done with the updating this. Okay, and let's try to connect to our demo user. So demo is the command to connect to demo user, and password we already given as a demo. Let's say enter. Now you can see your username is the demo. Similarly, let's try with like one more also. So ORIEN IT, password again as a ORIEN IT. Let's enter. So this user is the demo user. I want to set a title, say demo. Sorry. And this one is the ORIEN IT, and here is the our Hadoop user right now. Okay, so right now I have three users: demo user, ORIEN IT user, and Hadoop user. Okay, so you want to do some Hadoop command practice. Now let's say Hadoop, it's working or not, verify. It is able to work with here. And similarly, if you want to work on here also, let's say Hadoop is able to work. If you observe here, some permission issues are coming it. You want to solve this permission issues, let's give the permission to that folder. Okay, let's try to open one more terminal also. So currently I'm in the Hadoop user. You have to give in the Hadoop user only. Okay, the command is chmod 755 to $hadoop_home /conf/start. If you want to give to all the files also, you can give specific files. Now I just given to all the files. Now let's try it in the demo user and the ORIEN user. Is this time is coming the message or not? You can see there is no message. And inside the ORIEN user also, you want to verify it also. We can verify there is no coming. And there is one warning is showing by the here now Hadoop_home is deprecated. This is warning. You want to deprecate also, you want to suppress it also, you can suppress it. It's not a bigger. Let me show you how to work with this. First thing is I just given a support to you how to create a user and how to update the Java home and Hadoop inside the bashrc and changing the permissions. Once we are done with, I'm just troubleshooting one more issue, like what, fixing the Hadoop home is duplicated. So how to fix this one is export Hadoop underscore home one underscore one underscore suppress equal to true. Just add these lines into your bash RC for local user, and global limits you can add it in the our etc also. Let's do it one by one. Gedit slash tilde slash dot bash RC and just add this line. Fine. And similarly, if you want to fix it in the root user level also, sudo gedit slash etc bash dot bash rc. Hadoop. And just add one more line here also. So once you done these changes, you can verify now. Now when you type Hadoop, this change has to be suppressed now. Let me open a press terminal and type now. You cannot see now. Same thing if you want to do it also, but better let's close the entire terminal once. I'll go show you. Okay, Hadoop. You cannot see that message now. Similarly, sudo you type Hadoop, it is also not going to show here. Similarly, ORIEN here also when you type Hadoop, it's not going to. So my Hadoop user, it's not showing, and similarly demo user also not showing, and ORIEN user also not showing. Okay, fine. So now let's play with the real stuff, how people are going to work in real time with this securely with this. So let's try Hadoop fs-ls / command in the Hadoop user. It's just going to show the details. Okay, same command let's try in the demo user also. Is it working or not? Verifies / it's working. So the reason why it is working, like what, we are having a permission to read, write, execute, read, execute, read, execute. That means like what, user level we have permission, group level we have permission, other level also we have permission. Then these files can be read and execution access is given to all the users. Okay, now suppose let's try to create our own directory. Hadoop fs-mkdir /sample1, and let's try to get same thing in the demo user. Hadoop fs-mkdir /sample2. okay, it is saying permissions are not there. Okay, let's try in the ORIEN user also. Is it going to work or not? Yeah, sorry. So let's continue now. If I'm trying in the my ORIEN user also, same issue you're able to see. The reason for this one is like we don't have permission to do any operation. So who will give the permission is our main admin user, that is Hadoop. So let's say create a sample2, create sample3, and these three folders right now will be accessible by the only Hadoop user. And sample1 I'll give you permission to Hadoop, sample2 will give permission to demo, sample3 will give permission to ORIEN. How to give the permissions is, it has to happen from the our Hadoop user. -cho-r demo sample2. I'm giving a recursive permission to sample2 for demo user. You can check the permissions now. It is demo for sample2. Similarly, let's give it to the sample3 for ORIEN. So now it's going to be variety. So we are having permissions to this. Now if you want to access this data and if you want to write the data also, these are possible. Let's see now here. Okay. Before that, one more is sample, sample1, sample2. Okay, cool. Let's try to put some data. Hadoop fs -port /etc/hysts sample1 folder with file1. This is the command I am trying on the Hadoop user. Please clearly observe here. It is a host file I am trying to put in here. Will it allow or not? Observe it. It is allowing. You can also verify in the sample1 folder file1. Now same command, try to do it in the demo user with the name is file2. It's not allowing us. The reason is we don't have a permission to sample1 folder. Only we have a read and execution. Same thing will happen to the ORIEN user also. But can I insert in my demo user? Yes, I can do it. Let's try to the demo user. That is the folder is sample2 with name is file2. I want to give it. Okay, this is allowed because we are having a permissions for this one. Okay, now let's try same command from the ORIEN user. For sample1 folder with 3 is not allowed. Sample2 folder with file 3 not allowed, but which is going to allow is the 3. Sample3 folder is going to allow because we given a permission to sample3 to ORIEN user. This is what exactly as a user level you have to always remember. So as per the user access level, we are going to putting the data and that can be read or write. So can I read user 1 data or user 2 data or so Hadoop data and demo user ORIEN data? Let's try it now. Okay, for that reading the data is a cat command. Hadoop fs -cat. In sample1 folder we have a file1. Right now we have kept. Let's try to see. Okay, it is allowed. Same thing, let's try from the demo user also. It is also allowed. Let's try from same thing from sample user 3 also. It's allowed. The reason for why it is like what, we are having a group level permissions like what, read and execution. Only we don't have the write execution. The write execution is there, means it's allowed to do that. So this is going to give an idea like what, how to work with the in a Hadoop environment like a real time multiple users. So this will be going to help you. So hope you got an idea. So thank you.